Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lance Liam and welcome to Maryhill, Burgos. Ayan po ay sa Pangasinan. Napakaganda ng tanawin dyan at napaka-relax. Alright? So, bisitahin nyo rin ito. Famous din ito sa Pangasinan at marami rin pumupunta. Okay? Thank you so much and have a nice day. This is Lance Liam and welcome to Travel in Pangasinan.